Let's see how to set up TP-Link Wi-Fi extender. Connect your mobile phone with TP-Link Extender Wi-Fi network. Now go to any browser. Type here 192.168.0.254. Now set a password at your convenience. Select your Wi-Fi from the Wi-Fi list. Here you have to enter your main Wi-Fi password. If everything is okay, then click to confirm. You can change the name of Wi-Fi extended if you want. The password of the Wi-Fi extender will be the same as the main Wi-Fi password. Now you have to connect your mobile to the Wi-Fi extender network again. Finally, Wi-Fi extender setup is finished. We can use Wi-Fi.